Factory Berlin is the largest European community for creative artists, but as well like startup and entrepreneurs.
So you use the word community instead of co-working. It sounds like you don't think of Factory as a regular co-working space. I mean, talk about the difference.
What we try to do is that we bring like different type of people together, different type of mindset. They are not like only working and then going out. They get in, they connect, they exchange with people. Maybe like there are like some ideas popping up, maybe like some new business, and then they go out like with a new mindset and a new learning curve.
Being part of a community to us means not isolating ourselves from the outer world, or especially here in Berlin, from the great startup ecosystem we have, but instead like really deeply integrating into it. We are a state-accredited university here in Berlin, educating the digital pioneers of tomorrow. We are focusing very much on projects, meaning that our students don't have a fixed curriculum that stays like the same over the years, but instead we partner with companies, also a lot of companies in Factory, that we create these projects with, that our students then can learn on these projects and acquire new skills that are up to date all the time.
We are a business that helps people allocate portfolios in digital assets, be it fungible or non-fungible tokens. In our sector in blockchain, they organise a lot of events. They often have, showcases where we get the opportunity to meet some of the other community members where we can collaborate. So I think for us, there's a lot more benefits than the straight, go in, here's a desk and here's a Wi-Fi connection.
New School is project-based. Learning happens through projects with the goal that kids are happy and that they're doing the learning themselves.
How do you interact with Factory, and what does it offer to your community?
We have found several experts that work with our kids now through the Factory. There's actually a messaging app specific to the Factory where if we are in need of somebody who's got music training, somebody who's done production, one of the projects, a kid wants to film a documentary, so I put out a message to Factory saying, hey, who of you is working on an amazing project that you want a documentary for? And I got several responses back, which was great because now this kid who's 12 gets to choose from he gets to be the one to kind of button up and say, no, yes, I'm gonna do you.
And in return, do you have to siphon at least 15% of the children into Factory programs? Is that the deal?
There's no formal contract that we have to really do anything for the Factory besides not destroy their space while we're here.
Pipe is a data transport layer for connecting IoT devices in a way that's secure, private and simple. So we've basically figured out a new way of rewiring the internet. We've been members here for just over 2 years, from the summer of 2016. It's been very useful and encouraging for us. We've met investors through this network, we've met advisors, lawyers, accountants, technical people when we've needed technical expertise. We've been able to call on people, so web designers and things like that. It's the fact that although you're maybe a stranger or a foreigner in a new city, there's always a group of people, like-minded, smart, intelligent individuals around you who are always there to help and encourage. Also when things are difficult, to console you and keep you going.
Right now there are 2 Factory Berlin locations. When you think about sort of what's next, does that mean opening new locations either in Berlin or other cities?
Just to give you like an overview, more than 60% of our community, they are international. It's like something that we could consider, but at the moment, like the focus will be like here to expand and to shine further here in Berlin and in Germany as well.